Hi everyone, my name is Angelica Jacqueline and I'm from Information System student and my student ID 2024 32-104. So in this video I will explain my final project for object-oriented programming using Java GUI. So in this project, I create using Java Swing and implements object-oriented programming concept such as data, object, and heritage, and even handling. Okay, so first I open the Apache NetBeans IDE. Then I open my project folder named uas_pbo. Inside this project, I open the main source file called formnilaimahasiswa.java. So this file contains the magic logic and user interface of the application. So before I running the program, I will explain the source code. So the main class is formnilaimahasiswa. So this class extends GFrame, which means becomes the main window of the application. So the class also implements action listen, which allow the program to respond to button event. So this show implementation of object-oriented programming concept, especially in heritage and event handling. Okay, so this is the source code. So in this part I will explain the graphical user interface component. So here's glabel is used to display labels such as name, C1, C2, C3, which is it was the value of mahasiswa or student, and gtextval is used to input student data, and scores and gbutton is used to process and research action. So gtable is used to display the output data. So these components are created and arranged inside the GFrame. So next I will explain how the program process the data. When the process button is clicked, the action perform method is executed. So inside this method, program retrieves data from gtext using getText. The score value C1, C2, and C3. Okay, convert into integer using integer parse in. Then the program calculate the total score and into integer and determines the grade based on the results. That's what I mean. So after process, the data is added to the gtable using default table model. So this is what I mean. The score value C1, C2 convert into integer using the integer parse in. Okay, so I'm gonna running this source code. I click the run button in the NetBeans and the application windows appears. Okay, I will put my student ID. So for the first value I will put 80 and the second I will put 85 and the last I will put 90. After all data is entered, I click the process button. Okay, so This is the output table display. So here's we have a student ID, name, and the value, and also the total, which is we have 255, and also the grade is A. So this confirms that the program process and display data is correctly. So for my conclusion, this application successfully applies Java GUI and object-oriented programming concept, and the program works correctly and meets the requirements of the final exam. So that's all of my explanation. Thank you so much for your attention. So that's all of my explanation about final project for oriented programming using Java GUI.